Hey everybody, so this is Eric at Learn Design with Eric, and today I just wanted to briefly chat and ask you the question, what kind of thing would you like me to cover on my channel? Basically, I'm just kind of doing things that are coming to me as I'm going about my business, my day-to-day business, doing graphic design. I'm covering things that I think people might want to hear about, but I'd really like to know what you want me to talk about, because I can talk about a whole lot of things. I have a lot of experience in graphic design. I've done a lot of web design over the years, visual design, which is web design, essentially creating stuff that has varying screen sizes. I also have done illustration, I've done technical drawings, I've done product design, I've done packaging design, I've done a lot of stuff. I've been in the business for over 20 years. So that being said, what kinds of things would you like me to cover on my channel? Because I would love to do stuff that will help you out. That is actually my goal after all. So put some comments in the description below. Join me on my private Facebook group, which is also in the description below. And let's start a discussion so that I can help you out the most. So help me to help you. If you've ever seen Jerry Maguire, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, thanks very much for watching this short little clip, and I look forward to helping you to become a better designer at Learn Design with Eric.